Rosemary oil after 60. Use it every night for 7 days. Look what happens. Frank, 67, could barely sit through his grandson's baseball game. The burning, itching pain from hemorrhoids made every wooden bleacher feel like torture. His Italian grandmother had told him about rosemary oil 40 years ago, but he never listened. 7 nights of using it correctly changed everything. By day 8, he sat comfortably through a 3-hour game, pain-free for the first time in years. What you are about to learn is not just rubbing oil on your skin. There is a specific way to use rosemary oil after 60 that unlocks benefits most people never discover. Use it wrong, and you waste your money. Use it right, and your body transforms night by night. Let me show you exactly what happens each night when you use rosemary oil correctly, starting with the problem that nobody wants to talk about but millions suffer from. Night 1, hemorrhoid relief and vein health. Within 2 hours of your first application, the burning stops, the itching calms, the swollen tissue begins to shrink. Robert, 64, had tried every cream from the pharmacy. Nothing worked until night 1 with rosemary oil. He could finally sit at his desk without that cushion he was embarrassed to carry everywhere. Here is what is happening. Hemorrhoids are just swollen veins, like varicose veins, but in the worst possible place. Rosemary oil contains compounds that strengthen vein walls and reduce inflammation faster than most prescription creams. But you must dilute it properly, or you will make things worse. Mix 1 drop of rosemary oil with 2 teaspoons of carrier oil like coconut, almond, or jojoba. Never apply essential oils directly or internally. Use a clean cotton cloth or gauze dampened with the mixture and gently pat externally for 30 to 60 seconds. Then apply a clean warm compress for 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat before bedtime and stop if any irritation occurs. The cooling sensation you feel is the oil improving blood flow in the swollen veins. This is not just masking pain like other treatments. It is actually healing the damaged tissue. Most people feel significant relief within 2 to 4 hours. By morning, the swelling is noticeably reduced. This same mixture works for spider veins on your legs and varicose veins. Apply it to any swollen vein, always moving upward toward your heart. The rosemary strengthens the vein walls while improving circulation. Many people see their purple veins fade within weeks. But something else happens on night 1 that you will not notice until morning. Your mind begins to change. Night 2 and 3, memory fog clearing. Margaret, 71, forgot her own phone number while filling out a form. The brain fog was getting worse every month. On the morning after night 2 of rosemary oil, she woke up and immediately remembered her doctor's appointment without checking her calendar. By night 3, she was doing crossword puzzles again. Scientists have discovered that rosemary oil increases memory by up to 75% in people over 60. But here is the secret. It works best when applied at night because your brain consolidates memories while you sleep. The rosemary enhances this natural process. For temples and behind ears, use a 0.25 to 0.5% dilution. Dampen a small cloth with the mixture and gently press or swipe on the area for 1 to 2 minutes instead of direct application, then remove the cloth. For aroma, place a cloth with 1 drop nearby. You might smell the rosemary strongly at first. This is good. The aroma itself improves memory through your olfactory system, which connects directly to your memory center. Some people put a drop on a cloth near their pillow for all-night benefits. The morning after night 2, pay attention to how quickly you remember names, where you put things, and what you need to do. The fog that made everything feel fuzzy starts to lift. Words come more easily. Conversations flow better. You feel sharper, like you did 10 years ago. Safety note for sensitive skin or with blood thinners or antiplatelet medications, keep dilution low at 0.25 to 0.5% and use cloth or gauze instead of direct application and stop at any irritation. Margaret's daughter noticed the change immediately. Her mother was finishing sentences instead of trailing off. She was remembering grandchildren's birthdays without reminders. The woman who had been fading was suddenly present again. Night 4, hair and scalp. Awakening David, 72, had accepted his bald spot. It had been growing for 15 years. On night 4, his wife noticed tiny hairs sprouting where none had been for over a decade. After 3 months, the bald spot was half the size. Your hair follicles do not actually die when you go bald. They shrink and go dormant. Rosemary oil wakes them up by increasing blood flow to your scalp by up to 35%. This brings nutrients and oxygen to starved follicles. For hair, use 0.5 to 1% dilution, 1 to 2 drops of rosemary and 2 teaspoons carrier oil. Distribute with fingertips or wrap a thin cotton towel dampened with the mixture on the thinning area for 15 to 30 minutes or overnight if skin tolerates, then remove the cloth. Here is what most people do wrong. They expect overnight miracles. Hair growth is slow, but by night 4, the changes begin underground. Your follicles start producing again. The hair you have grows thicker and stronger. The excessive shedding stops. Look closely at your hairline on morning 5. You might see tiny baby hairs emerging. These are follicles that have been dormant, now awakening. Your existing hair will feel different too, thicker and less brittle. Even your eyebrows might start filling in. The warming sensation on your scalp is the dilation of blood vessels. This is exactly what expensive hair treatments try to achieve, but rosemary oil does it naturally, without side effects, for pennies compared to prescription treatments. Night 5, joint and muscle recovery. Susan, 68, had not opened a jar by herself in 2 years. Her arthritis made her hands feel like claws every morning. On the morning after night 5, she opened her vitamin bottle without thinking about it. Her hands just worked. Rosemary oil contains natural compounds that work like aspirin, but without damaging your stomach. When you massage it into painful joints before bed, it works all night to reduce inflammation and improve flexibility. For joints, use a stronger mixture. 1 part rosemary to 2 parts carrier oil. Warm it between your hands first. Massage into your most painful joints, knuckles, knees, shoulders for 3 minutes each. The oil penetrates deep into the joint capsule, where pills cannot reach. The warmth you feel is not just from rubbing. The rosemary is actually increasing blood flow to the joint, bringing healing nutrients and removing inflammatory waste products. This is why morning stiffness improves so dramatically. By morning 6, most people can make a fist without pain. Knees bend more easily. Shoulders rotate without grinding. The improvement is gradual but real. Unlike pain pills that wear off, this healing accumulates night after night. Susan started opening jars, buttoning shirts, and writing thank you cards again. Her granddaughter said she had her grandma back. All from 5 nights of rosemary oil applied correctly to her joints. If you do not have pure rosemary essential oil at home, I have added a link to a trusted brand on Amazon in the description below. Night 6. Sleep transformation. Patricia, 70, had not slept through the night since menopause 20 years ago. She tried everything, including prescription sleep aids that left her groggy. On night 6 of rosemary oil, she slept 8 straight hours and woke up refreshed. Here is something nobody tells you. Rosemary oil reduces cortisol, your stress hormone, by up to 23% when used before bed. High cortisol is why you wake up at 3 a.m. with your mind racing. The rosemary calms this response. The 3-2-1 safe nighttime version. Dilute to 0.25 to 0.5%. Dampen a thin cloth with the mixture and place it on the upper chest for 10 to 15 minutes with slow breathing, then remove the cloth before lights out. For feet, wipe with a clean, dampened cloth on the soles for 20 to 30 seconds. And for the pillow, 1 drop on a cloth nearby, not directly on the pillow. Apply the chest oil 30 minutes before bed. Rub it in with slow, circular motions while taking deep breaths. The combination of massage, aroma, and absorption triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode. Your feet have large pores that absorb oil quickly. The rosemary enters your bloodstream and circulates throughout your body while you sleep. Many people report vivid, pleasant dreams and waking up actually refreshed instead of tired. Patricia threw away her sleep medications after 2 weeks. She said the rosemary oil worked better without the hangover feeling. Her husband noticed she was not tossing and turning anymore. They both slept better. Night 7. Circulation and cold extremities. James, 69, wore gloves indoors because his hands were always frozen. His fingers were white and numb most of the day. After 7 nights of rosemary oil, his hands were pink and warm for the first time in years. Poor circulation after 60 affects everything: your energy, your healing, and your brain function. Rosemary oil is one of the few natural substances that actually dilates blood vessels and improves circulation measurably. You can see the difference in your nail beds. For circulation, 1 to 2 drops and 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. Use a small cotton strip dampened with the mixture and gently wrap around wrists, behind knees, and ankles for 5 to 10 minutes. Then remove the cloth and lightly massage the remainder. The warming sensation starts within minutes. Your fingers and toes tingle as blood flow increases. This is not the bad tingling of poor circulation. This is the good tingling of blood returning to starved tissues. Look at your fingernails in the morning at 8. They should be pinker with less blue or purple tinting. Press on a nail and release. The color should return in under 2 seconds. This is your circulation improving in real time. James could finally hold his coffee mug without pain. He could write again without his fingers cramping. His wife noticed his face had color again instead of that gray pallor, all from 7 nights of strategic rosemary oil application. The complete nightly method. Here is exactly how to use rosemary oil for maximum benefits. Start with high-quality essential oil, not fragrance oil or pre-diluted products. You need pure rosemary essential oil for these results. Night 1 through 3, focus on your most urgent problem: hemorrhoids, memory, or pain. Use the specific dilution for that area. 1 to 4 for sensitive skin, 1 to 2 for scalp and joints, 1 to 3 for general use. Night 4 through 7, expand to multiple areas. You can safely use rosemary oil on different body parts the same night. Start with joints, then scalp, then circulation points. Finish with chest and feet for sleep. Always dilute rosemary oil. Never use it pure on your skin. Coconut oil works best for most applications. Olive oil for joints, jojoba for face and scalp, sweet almond oil for sensitive skin. Apply 30 minutes before bed for best absorption. Your body temperature is slightly higher in the evening, which helps oil penetrate better. Plus, you have all night for the oil to work while you rest. Use less than you think. 2 to 3 drops of rosemary per application is plenty. More is not better and can cause skin irritation. Start with less and increase gradually if needed. Store your rosemary oil in a dark bottle away from heat and light. It should smell fresh and herbaceous, not musty or weak. Good quality oil lasts 2 years if stored properly. After 7 nights, continue using rosemary oil 3 to 4 times per week for maintenance. You can use it nightly if you want, but most people find that every other night maintains the benefits perfectly. Some people add lavender or frankincense to their rosemary oil blend. This is fine, but not necessary. Rosemary alone does everything we have discussed. Keep it simple for the best results. Watch for these signs. It is working. Better sleep by night 3. Improved memory by night 4. Less pain by night 5. Warmer extremities by night 7. These timeline markers tell you the oil is absorbing properly. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Mix 1 drop with a teaspoon of carrier oil. Apply to your inner wrist. Wait 24 hours. If no redness or irritation, you can proceed safely. Never use rosemary oil if you are pregnant, have epilepsy, or have high blood pressure that is not controlled. Check with your doctor if you take blood thinners. Rosemary can interact with certain medications. The investment is minimal. A good bottle of rosemary oil costs about $15 and lasts 3 months. Compare that to prescription creams, sleep aids, memory supplements, and pain medications. One oil replaces them all. People who continue using rosemary oil report additional benefits after weeks and months. Skin looks younger. Age spots fade. Wound healing improves. Energy increases. Mood lifts. The benefits compound over time. Your body has been waiting for these compounds. Rosemary contains over 20 healing components, including camphor, cineole, and rosmarinic acid. Each works differently, but together they create remarkable healing. The ancient Greeks knew this. They called rosemary the herb of remembrance. Students wore rosemary garlands during exams. Now science proves what they knew intuitively. This simple herb transforms aging bodies. Frank's hemorrhoids never returned. Margaret does crosswords in pen now. David has enough hair for a haircut. Susan opens her own jars. Patricia sleeps like a baby. James plays piano again with warm, flexible fingers. 7 nights changed everything for them. Tonight could be your night 1.